Where's the box?
Double
I need
points.
to hit that shit.
I have hella points. What do we need?
Go open up some doors. Go open up the Citadel. Oh, what is this?
We should find
Oh, I
the
got a
other
part.
parts and work out what the fuck this is.
Why'd you yell like that? Just shut up. God damn.
Where's the Citadel? How do I...
Don't touch me, you fucking goofy looking bastard.
What? That's not one?
It's not one what? Not a barrier you can rebuild.
Ow.
Ain't no fucking way.
You heating, huh? On the grind.
Yup.
This guy got no ventilation for real, huh?
It don't. What the fuck happened to you?
I got right over you.
How? There's a car right there. What the fuck is this bitch do? What are you doing in my house?
Seriously clothes, I need to change my outfit.
Oh, stop throwing shit at me. I'm gonna jump over them.
Come on, come on.
Ooh. What if can I walk over it? That shit hurt. I'm watching.
Give me some light, give me some light.
Bitch, I'm not near you.
Here. I can shoot! I can shoot! I can shoot! You can't shoot
What are you shooting for?
Cause he jammed it! He jammed the gun!
So you thought to shoot towards me?
Well, I was trying to make... Cause he put some spaghetti on it, I was trying to shoot through it.
You stupid. Fuck you, man. Flatus Classic. Bitch. Why you look at me like that?
Watch this. Did nothing to him. It's not doing anything to him.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
No! Where are they? Oh my god.
Move, move, move.
Wait, can they hear us?
Yes, yes. It's over there, it's over there, it's over there. Shit, shit, shit. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Shut the fucking fuck. Like, there's no way she's gonna go to a wedding dressed like that.
Damn. I saw the wedding invite too, I just didn't check the date. Damn, she was gonna kill me for real. She could have had me if she wanted to for real.
She could have what? What did you just say? Oh no, that thing
Shoot
follows
him up,
you.
shoot him up, shoot him up.
Go get a gun, go get a gun.
Oh my god. Wait, what's the guy? Oh no, that's super.
I hope we killed the
I
calendar
killed the
killer.
calendar killer.
Oh, whatever.
Oh, try them out, try them out.
But
Alright, let's go. There's some rats. This guy looks young. Oh nah.
What happened? Why did you shoot him?
There was a black guy. For soup.